My name is Melissa with Horry County Memorial Libraries. You're in for a treat today. Follow along as we make the ultimate comfort food, chicken Alfredo, using our Instant Pot. Pause the video if you need to. Let's get started. Season your chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and onion powder. Go ahead and put your steam catcher on the back. Open your Instant Pot and set it to saute. Pour in your olive oil. Go ahead and place your chicken inside the Instant Pot and cook it until it's brown on each side. Add garlic to the pot and cook it for about 1 minute. You're going to notice a really nice savory aroma. Add your chicken broth. Stir it well until you get all the little pieces off the bottom. And then you're going to add your heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and pour in your whole box of noodles. Stir it up just a little bit. And then you're going to place your chicken straight on top. Go ahead and close your Instant Pot. Make sure that the valve on top is set to seal. And then set your pressure cook timer for 6 minutes. Once the timer has gone off, use a wooden spoon to allow for a quick release. You'll notice the steam coming out of the top. Once the quick release is done, go ahead and turn off your Instant Pot and open it. You will notice that it looks a little bit liquidy, but it will thicken up as it rests. Go ahead and take your chicken out and use a meat thermometer to check to make sure it is at 165 degrees. Once your pasta's had a chance to rest, go ahead and pour in your Parmesan cheese and stir. Cut your chicken however you would like, either slice it or you can shred it. Once you're done cutting it, place it into your pasta mixture. Put your pasta into a bowl. You can add pepper, any other seasoning, and your Parmesan cheese. Bon appetit! See you next time.